Stop making soggy French fries. The secret to fries that are crispy outside, fluffy inside, and stay crunchy start long before the frying. Let me show you how we make it. I am Dom, and this is how I make my crunchy French fries. Let's dive into it. Start by peeling the potatoes. Removing the skin gives us a clean surface and helps create that smooth restaurant-style finish. Now, slice the potatoes into medium-sized julienne cut. Don't make them too thin or they will cook too quickly and become dry or burn easily. Too thick and the outside can become crispy before the center is properly cooked. Medium cut gives us the perfect balance, crispy outside and fluffy inside. Immediately place the cut potatoes into ice-cold water and let them soak for about 2 hours. This step helps remove excess sappy starch, which is important for getting a cleaner, crispier fry instead of fries that stick together or become gummy. Add salt to taste, mix well, and let them continue soaking for another 2 to 3 hours. Now, drain the potatoes and pat them completely dry, and I mean completely dry. Any excess water left on the potatoes will prevent the fries from crisping properly, so take your time and remove as much moisture as possible. Next, lightly coat the potatoes with potato starch. This creates a thin protective layer that helps give the fries an extra crispy exterior. Place them into a zipper bag and freeze for about 2 hours, but if you want even better texture and deeper flavor, you can leave them overnight. Now, heat your fryer to 160 degrees and fry the potatoes for the first time. We are not trying to make them golden yet. This first fry cooks the inside and begins developing that perfect texture. Remove them, place them on a tray lined with paper towel and let them cool. And if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once cooled, we return them back into the fryer, but at this time 180 degrees, and we fry them until beautiful golden and crispy. Just look at that golden and perfection. Season immediately with salt and little pepper. Honestly, this is something you have to try at home. Look at these fries, crispy, golden, and perfectly fluffy inside. You have to give this a try. If you want more amazing homemade recipes, check out my playlist. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until we meet in the next one, peace out. Bon appetit.